With the introduction of ChatGPT, Google Bard, Llama 2, Cloud APIs, things are moving very fast in the space of AI, especially in the space of generative AI. But what exactly is generative AI? And what exactly are large language models? Can we create large language models by ourselves? The answer is definitely yes. What exactly is generative AI and LLMs? I'm going to cover that in this particular video under 5 minutes. See you in the video. Before getting into the topic of generative AI, let's talk about artificial intelligence. What exactly is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is something or some sort of intelligence that can be achieved artificially. There are different areas of researches that basically leads to AI, and that includes machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, automated vehicles, robotics, and so on. Now, talking about machine learning, which is nothing but a subset of AI. Under machine learning comes deep learning, and if you talk about generative AI and LLMs, they basically fall inside deep learning. Generative AI and large language models are nothing but those kind of models that are created on huge amount of data, and they use neural networks, machine learning, and deep learning concepts to create their own model. Talking about generative AI. Generative AI is a subset of artificial intelligence that involves the use of algorithms and mathematical models to create something new, such as images, text, video, or sound. These algorithms use a combination of machine learning, deep learning, and neural networks to analyze and understand large amounts of data and then generate new content based on that data. There are several models of generative AI that includes ChatGPT. I hope everybody is aware of ChatGPT, that is able to do almost everything. That includes content writing, that includes if you want some code help, it will be able to give you a code. Also includes text summarization. It can also create scripts for your videos. So it can do almost everything. Apart from ChatGPT, there are various other generative AI models, which is Google Bard. Bard is recently launched by Google that also does a similar task like ChatGPT. However, it is not yet that good as compared to ChatGPT, but it is almost there. Llama 2 is one of those models by Facebook or Meta, and that is again a new model, but it does a great job. Apart from these things, we also have Cloud 2 and various other large language models. Now, talking about large language models. If your question is, can we create our own large language model? The answer to this question is very simple. It is possible. You can create your own large language models using deep learning techniques and requires a deep understanding of machine learning and neural networks. It typically involves selecting a large data set to use as the basis for your own LLM, choosing the appropriate architecture and algorithm to train your model with, and then fine-tuning and optimizing your model based on its performance. In case you are willing to train your own large language model or you're interested to know more about generative AIs, let me know in the comment section below, and I will come up with the most affordable course on generative AI and how you can use generative AI and how you can build your own large language models. Now, before getting into that, if you're new to machine learning or deep learning, check out the description below. There are multiple courses related to machine learning and deep learning with coupon codes that are available in the description. Go ahead, enroll and enjoy, and please like, share and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.